What is induced drag? You're probably thinking to yourself, it's a byproduct of lift. You're not wrong, but let me explain the why behind it so you really understand it. So I have a drawing here, and we have our wing and our relative wind. So our relative wind hits the front of the wing as we're flying along, and lift acts perpendicular to our relative wind. So our ideal lift, imagine the wing is in here, hits the front of the wing and goes directly up. That would be our ideal lift. Well, we have a wing here that does help us produce lift, but it acts perpendicular to the relative wind. So the relative wind hits the front of the wing and gets deflected above the wing and below the wing, which then gets deflected down. So this is really where our relative wind is because of the wing. So lift acts perpendicular to the relative wind. So if we follow that deflection down 90 degrees to that relative wind, you can see this is our actual lift, this red line here. Our ideal lift is 90 degrees of that perpendicular wind. However, because it's getting deflected down, our ideal lift is now deflected lower. So you can see that we actually have less lift because of the wing deflecting the airflow down. That is induced drag.